everyone, and welcome to the Learn English Show.
I'm Mr. Jones.
And I'm Leslie. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Today we have a very useful topic for you. We will talk about your daily routine.
Yes, we will learn how to describe your day from morning to night using simple English. This is a very common conversation topic.
This lesson will help you improve your vocabulary and speak more confidently about your everyday life.
Before we start, please remember to like this episode, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot and helps more people learn English.
Thank you. Now, Leslie, let's start with a question for our listeners.
Great idea, Mr. Jones. Listeners, can you describe your day in English? Think about it. What do you do every morning? What about the afternoon? And the evening? Try to think of a few words.
Don't worry if it's difficult now. By the end of this show, you will be able to do it. We will go step by step.
Let's begin with the morning routine. Mr. Jones, what do you do first in the morning?
First, I wake up. I wake up early, usually around 6 a.m.
Wake up. Everyone, please repeat after me. Wake up. Wake up. Very good.
After I wake up, I get out of bed. Sometimes it's hard to get out of bed. Then I go to the bathroom.
Get out of bed. Get out of bed. What do you do in the bathroom, Mr. Jones?
I brush my teeth, and I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel awake.
Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Do you brush your teeth every morning? I hope so.
After that, I eat breakfast. I usually eat toast and drink coffee. Sometimes I have eggs.
Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast, listeners? Do you like a big breakfast or a small one?
Then I get dressed. I choose my clothes for the day and put them on.
Get dressed. Get dressed. Do you choose your clothes the night before or in the morning?
Finally, I go to work. Or sometimes, if it's a weekend, I go to school for a class.
Go to work. Go to school. So in the morning, you wake up, get out of bed, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, get dressed, and go to work. That's a lot of things.
That's right. What about you, listeners? What do you do in the morning? Try to say it out loud.
Let's add a couple more morning activities. Sometimes, before going to work, people exercise.
Exercise. Repeat, exercise. Exercise. Do you exercise in the morning, Leslie?
Sometimes, and some people drink coffee or drink tea to start their day.
Drink coffee. Repeat, drink coffee. Drink tea. Repeat, drink tea.
Now, let's talk about the work day or school day. Mr. Jones, what do you do at work?
At work, I usually sit at a desk. My desk has a computer.
Sit at a desk. Sit at a desk. Many people sit at a desk for work.
I use a computer a lot. I type on the keyboard and look at the screen.
Use a computer. Use a computer. Do you use a computer every day?
I also answer emails. Many emails. I read them and then I write a reply.
Answer emails. Answer emails. It's important to answer emails quickly.
Sometimes I write reports. These are long documents with information, and I attend meetings with my colleagues.
Write reports. Write reports. Attend meetings. So during the workday, you sit at a desk, use a computer, answer emails, write reports, and attend meetings. That sounds like a very busy day.
It is. What about our listeners? Do you sit at a desk? Do you use a computer? Do you attend meetings or classes?
Let's think about lunch. Many people eat lunch during the workday.
Eat lunch. Repeat, eat lunch. Eat lunch. Do you bring your lunch or buy it, Leslie?
I usually bring my lunch, and sometimes people talk to colleagues or talk to classmates during the day.
Talk to colleagues. Repeat, talk to colleagues. Talk to classmates. Repeat, talk to classmates.
Now, let's move to the evening routine. After work or school, what do you do, Mr. Jones?
After work, I go home. I like to leave work on time.
Go home. Go home. It's nice to go home after a long day.
When I get home, I like to relax. Maybe I watch TV or listen to music.
Relax. Relax. How do you relax, listeners?
Then I cook dinner. I like to cook different meals. Tonight, I will cook pasta.
Cook dinner. Cook dinner. What do you cook for dinner, listeners? Is it a big meal or a small meal?
After dinner, I wash the dishes. It's not my favorite job, but it must be done.
Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Do you wash the dishes by hand or use a dishwasher?
Before bed, I often read a book. I like to read novels.
Read a book. Read a book. What kind of books do you like to read?
Sometimes I also watch TV in the evening.
Watch TV. Watch TV. Do you watch movies or TV shows?
Finally, I go to bed. I go to bed around 10 p.m. on weekdays.
Go to bed. Go to bed. It's important to get enough sleep. So, in the evening, you go home, relax, cook dinner, wash the dishes, read a book, and go to bed.
Yes, that's my typical evening. It's a good routine.
Now, let's practice putting it all together. I will describe a simple daily routine. Listen carefully, and then you can try to say your own. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed and brush my teeth. Then I eat breakfast and drink coffee. After that, I get dressed and go to work. At work, I sit at my desk and use my computer. I answer many emails and attend meetings. I eat lunch with my colleagues. In the evening, I go home and relax. I cook dinner and wash the dishes. Before bed, I read a book. Then I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Excellent, Leslie. That's a very clear description. Listeners, now it's your turn. Try to say your daily routine. Use the verbs we learned. You can pause the podcast and speak out loud. Don't be shy.
Yes, practice makes perfect. Try to say at least 3 things you do in the morning, 3 things in the afternoon or during work or school, and 3 things in the evening. Try to make full sentences. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m.
You can also tell us what time you do these things. For example, I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
Let's do a quick vocabulary review now. These are the important verbs and phrases from today's lesson. We will say them slowly.
Repeat after us.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Brush my teeth.
Eat breakfast. Drink coffee, drink tea.
Get dressed.
Go to work, go to school.
Exercise.
Sit at a desk.
Use a computer.
Answer emails.
Write reports.
Attend meetings.
Eat lunch.
Talk to colleagues, talk to classmates.
Go home.
Relax.
Cook dinner.
Wash the dishes.
Book.
Watch TV.
Go to bed.
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing these words and phrases.
Yes, try to use them every day when you think about your routine. You can even write down your routine in English. This will help you remember them and build your confidence.
Thank you for joining us on LES, the Learn English Show. We hope this lesson was helpful and that you feel more confident talking about your day.
Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast, like this episode, and share it with anyone learning English. Your support helps us create more lessons for you.
We love hearing from you, so leave a comment and tell us about your daily routine. We read all your comments.
See you next time for another English lesson.
Goodbye.